One got loose and Jake was chasing it all through the woods and like diving in the bushes.
Fueling. Good morning. So, you're probably wondering what we might be doing. And it's late September. We're a bunch of freaking hay farmers. So, here we are.
This has nothing to do with hay.
Exactly. So we never know where these videos might lead. So I'm sure you've probably seen the excavating video. If you haven't, you should probably go back and take a look. But today, we're going to get Kay some friends. What are we getting?
Little piggies.
We're gonna get some little piggies.
Except they're probably not as little as I wanted them to be.
So, stay tuned. So, here they are. We're introducing the dogs. Kay's idea.
Look at Peppy. It's okay.
Here they are. Hey. Hey. They look pretty happy.
It's okay, Peppy.
Rough ride. Somebody vomited.
I think they both did.
A little seasick.
Peppy, what is that?
We'll see how it goes. We're gonna build a, I started building it, but I came up with new ideas. But we're building them a high tensile. It's electric fence. Just a little area in here. It's probably, I don't know, 50 by 50. And then a little lean-to structure, which I'm gonna try to videotape so you can get a building a pig house on a budget kind of deal. Because we're trying to do it kind of cheap, but do it well, so we'll see. So we got a little bit built here. We're using these triangular boards here that one of the truckers brings in at work, and then they just leave them and then we throw them out, so it's recycled. But I screwed them all together so that they're square and nice and sturdy wall. And then I backed it up to these T-posts and I'm gonna fasten it to them to just kind of reinforce everything. And then my roof's tied to it. As you can see here, I just did kind of a lean-to off the side of the shed for now, and we'll do something better eventually, but this is just to get us all set up. We're gonna put steel on the roof, kind of slant it that way a little bit. You know, stuff will run off. It ain't a big deal anyway. It's just a small structure, so. But yeah, we're building this fence for them. It's just out here in the woods, so high tensile wire, random T-posts, but 4 strands and then 1 up high, so 5 all together. But it's just probably a 50 by 50 area, so nothing too crazy. Give them a little room to stretch their legs, and winter's coming, so I don't know. I don't want them to be all cooped up, but so we'll give them a little room to stretch their legs and see how it goes.
Did you tell them that we were recording when we were building it, but you didn't press record?
Yeah, so we recorded like probably
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Talked to the camera. She showed you guys the dogs and the pigs. Asked you guys what you wanted to name them, and then discovered that the whole time we weren't recording anything.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
This is Remington. Her name is Remy. Aspen. Watch out. This is Aspen, and this is Pepper. And they're very excited for the piggies. But they're sleeping. Remy, no, Remy, no. And now they're awake, but they were sleeping peacefully. She wants us to let them out. And on the way here, after we picked them up, they got car sick and threw up in the box. So they're sad and scared. But we're almost done building this. Well, he's almost done building this. And then we can let him out, Remington. Woo! Okay. Okay, we're getting it all ready with hay so that they're warm and not cold and scared. And also he's gonna put lights out here too. It's a weathered barnwood wall.
Go right in there and show them around.
No. So that they have the aesthetics and a literal farmhouse. Peppy, are you excited for the pigs? Remy, do you want the piggies? Yes! Let them out, babe.
They're not quite ready yet.
Okay. We will show you when they come out. Okay, we need names for them. Oh, it's okay. Little guys, you're cute. Okay. Gotta go help Jake. This is what we got, temporarily. Coming over. You're doing great.
Thanks.
There's a pig butt. Oh, they're so cute. Think of names. Okay, you're gonna be scared, but let's go. Just don't be scared. Okay, be gentle. Let him come out.
You might have to climb right in there and push him out.
Yeah, but I'm scared that the other will jump out and run. Like, how are you gonna keep him in there? I was gonna distract the other one if you can get his leg. I'm stressed out. Baby, how much closer?
Get that camera so it doesn't go. I don't think that he's gonna be content with food right now, so maybe. Here, buddy. Come here. I don't know yet, baby. I don't know. Because somebody's got to make sure he don't leave, and then somebody's got to... Come here, kid. Yeah. I know. You got to turn around, though, buddy.
Huh?
I can't get him to turn around. That's the problem. That is not happy.
He's like literally taking out.
Yeah, we got to get the other one in there so that he's happy. They're trying to get to each other.
Well, which way did you go?
Right through there. It doesn't matter. I just got to get a hold of his back foot, but I can't because he's pissed.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't bite me.
Come here, Dingle Nuts.
Oh God,
What?
he's scary. What are you supposed to do?
Get him to turn around. But if I get up there, I'm scared I'm not going to be able to get back down with it.
Yeah, don't.
And he's just backing up. I can't get a hold of his back leg.
We're having a terrible time. Okay, so that was quite the adventure. Trying to get them in their little house here, and they're mad and trying to dig out. One got loose and Jake was chasing it all through the woods and like diving in the bushes. I can't stop laughing. But hopefully they can calm down and be happy now, but they're really not happy. Got them some water and a little bit of food. We'll fill that up more obviously, but oh my goodness. The dogs are like, what the? They were helping us chase the pig. Well, there they are, folks. Help us name them. Do you have any words?
No. No words. Don't get fake. You're stupid.
I really wish we were recording when that whole ordeal just happened. Now they're trying to dig the china to get out. We should name them Jesse and James. Except
2 girls.
they're 2 girls. Jessie could be a girl. I mean, I'm sure there's women named James too, probably. Okay. Should I fill that to the top?
No. Like a scoop. Not like it.
Okay, well that's good enough.
Just waste it.
They're angry. He's literally like chewing the wood.
Yeah, they'll
Or
do
she.
that.
I keep saying he. Because we were supposed to get 2 boys. Can you confirm that they're 2 girls?
Yeah.
What would you like to name them?
Dumb and Dumber. Miss K would like to know what you want to name the 2 pigs. The devil children.
Aspen. Aspen was a herding dog. She was helping us chase the pig and corner it so we could get it. I probably had a couple chances where I could have grabbed a back leg, but I'm
you
too
were
scared. Now can we give him the corn on the cob?
If you want, go get it. Probably wrap up here and then go eat some dinner. So, see you guys next time.